Question number 3 of this exercise says that a fez, the cap used by Turks, is shaped like the frustum of a cone, as shown in figure 13.24. So this is the figure for it. Now it says the radius on the open side is 10 centimeters. So the open side is this. Let's take its radius R1 equals 10 centimeters as given in the question. Then it says that the radius of the upper base is 4 centimeters. So R2 will be equal to 4 centimeters. And the slant height of the frustum of the cap is 15 centimeters. So we can write that slant height L equals 15 centimeters. Then what we have to do is to find the area of the material used for making it. So to find the area, what we have to do is we have to add two areas. So that is the curved surface area of the frustum part, which is this, and the circular area at the top of the cap. So we will write curved surface area of frustum plus area of the circle which is at top. So let's write the formula. The formula to find the curved surface area of a frustum is pi times R1 plus R2 times the slant height L, and the formula to find the area of a circle is pi r square. So we are considering the upper circle, the circle which is at the top, so we will be writing it as pi r2 square. Now let's substitute the values keeping pi as it is for now. So R1 plus R2, which is 4 plus 10, gives us 14 times L, which is 15. Then we write pi R2 square. So R2 square is 4 square, and that is 16. So we get this as 210 pi plus 16 pi. On addition, that gives us 226 pi, and in place of pi we now substitute 22 by 7. This on further calculation and simplification gives us the total area of the material used as 710 2/7 centimeter square. And this is how we find the area of the material which was used for making the fez.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.